So it's been over a year now, and the bottle trap that I installed in my guest bathroom has finally clogged up. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it and unclog it, so make sure you stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. Now, before you go start saying, oh, isn't it illegal to have a bottle trap? Just make sure that you check it with your local codes and if you're in compliance. But again, it is your home. You can do whatever you want to your home. The only thing that you might have to worry about is if you get it, you sell your home and you start to get it inspected, the inspector might fail you. But again, it is up to you. It's your home. You can do whatever you want to it. Now, with that being out of the side, we are going to go and just take out the collar from the top, take out the collar on top of the bottle, and the collar on where the drainage system is going to be at. So once you start breaking things, the seals, water will start coming out, especially I did fill at the top. That's why the great thing you have a plastic bag underneath is because it's easy cleanup. If you put a bucket there, you might have to clean up that bucket, but in this case, once you get all the gunk out of this bottle trap and all the water, you can just easily dispose it because you have that plastic bag. Now it's easy in this configuration. You're just gonna go and yank out the bottle towards you and then push down. So just be very, very careful because this might be a little bit fragile, but you can see that there is buildup on this drainage right there. You can kind of see where all the buildup on that inside that pipe. So I'm just gonna put a paper towel and just shove. You can get a stick, or in this case I got a copper pipe that I just pretty much just cleaned out that easily inside that tube. Now you want to check your bottle trap. Now you can see there's a lot of gunk in there, so be very careful. If you have a weak stomach, please don't watch this. But yeah, you can see all that nastiness in there, but it's mostly hair. Unfortunately, those are not my hair. But yeah, that's mostly my my daughter, my wife, probably my son's hair build up over the past year. But yeah, let's go and clean that up. Just take your paper towel, rub the inside, the outside. I'm using disinfectant right now. You don't have to do that. Key fact here, just don't do what I'm doing here where I'm using a copper pipe, because there is a way that all that gunk will go sliding inside that copper pipe towards you. So just use a stick. But then again, when you pull this out, there's going to be a lot of nastiness right there. So that's not it. That's just a few of the hair that just kind of made it out of the drainage. So let's check the inside. The thing with this bottle trap is that it has this little Y in there that I can't really feed a snake through, but I am checking and it's kind of clean though. But if you go and get yourself auger, so that's actually the best way to do it. Right after you take out the bottle trap, go look inside and you see there's a buildup in there that's going towards the drain. I'm going to take my little 25 feet auger. If you're interested on this auger, I'll leave the link on the description down below, or check out this hyperlink on the bottom of this video. We're just going to stick this auger right there, and we are going to feed it through till we get the clog pushed all the way down. Now, I do have a specific tool later on. It's kind of like a pump gun that can force all that gunk out of there. I don't have that tool at the moment, but when I do, I'll make a separate video on that. So right when you do that, you're just going to go and put all the bottle trap configuration back together. Very easy. Just remember how you placed it. Put it back the way you did it, and then you're just going to tighten back all the collars, the side, the top, and the last piece on the top. And with this bottle trap, I like to make it nice and even, especially it's going to be for aesthetics. I like to make it leveled. Then the easy cleanup with that plastic bag, and you're good to go. So now we're going to test it out. I'm going to run a little bit of hot water through there just so that I can check if an expansion or contraction will get the seals going and breaking it in. But if you look down there, it's totally flowing nice and smooth right now. There's nothing leaking. So make sure you check every once in a while to see if there's any leaks. But that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to clean out your bottle trap. Again, if you're thinking that this is illegal, just make sure that you are checking with your local codes, check with your plumber. Again, word of caution, this is not for everybody, so just make sure. Again, it's my home. I want to put whatever I want to it, so I'm freely putting a bottle trap. So there we go. Now we're just going to test the stopper, open it up, and then we're going to go and check if it drains out. Again, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.